summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, just my wasted love. It's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
Cabinets under your sink look like this. A disorganized mess? Well, now you can change all that. From the makers of the Spicy Shelf comes the Spicy Shelf Under Sink Organizer. The Under Sink Organizer is a U-shaped shelf designed to fit around your plumbing pipes to maximize your storage space. Instead of one messy level, you have two organized levels. You can use it under your kitchen sink or under your bathroom sink. Turn your messes into organized successes.
Shed some light to your space with e.l.f. Umix LED Vanity Mirror Hollywood Lights. Are you tired of insufficient lighting when you look in your mirror? Worry no more. These LED lights are perfect for DIY Hollywood-style vanity. With an easy peel and super stick application, you won't have to worry about your lights falling off or about the extra hassle of installation or messing around with tricky wires. These LED lights are made of the highest quality, waterproof material, so they are ideal for the bathroom, kitchen, vanity table, or much more. These lights have a smart touch dimmer so you can effortlessly adjust the brightness to exactly what you need it at, perfect for any makeup or beauty routine. These lights are not only an essential for getting ready, but they make for beautiful decorations throughout the house, bringing a chic, stylish element to any space that you put them in. Glam up your space with e.l.f. Umix's LED lights.
Providing you a clean house. Are you still using ordinary manual tools to clean your house? You may cannot achieve deep cleaning, even spend a lot of time and effort. Don't worry, our Holocan drill brush will help you solve all these problems. Various bristles help you quickly clean all those stubborn stains.
For years, the only raised toilet seats available for adults were essentially oversized toilet seats, like those originally designed for babies and toddlers. Made with cold, hard white plastic, These seats never did fit right and were embarrassingly unsightly. Thankfully, a new generation of raised toilet seat is now available. Restore your toileting comfort, safety, and dignity with the Ultimate by Platinum Health. The Ultimate is a premium padded adjustable height raised toilet seat. This multifunction seat features a warm-to-the-touch, soft, padded seat surface for maximum comfort and relaxation. The padded weight-bearing armrests act as non-slip leverage points to make sitting and standing from the seat easier and safer. The armrests also prevent users from sliding off the seat while providing an overall sense of safety and security. The adjustable height function means that the toilet seat height can be perfectly customized to the user's requirements and eliminates guessing about ordering the correct size. As the user's health conditions change over time, the seat height can be easily readjusted to maintain proper safety and function. The Ultimate rests solidly on the floor with no cumbersome attachment to the toilet required. It can never slip off the toilet like old-style plastic seats, and cleaning is quick and easy. The Ultimate can also be quickly moved and stored and is easy to transport. It can be assembled and disassembled in mere seconds, with no tools required. The Ultimate provides unparalleled versatility. It's like getting 3 products for the price of 1. It can be used over the toilet and as a bedside commode thanks to the included commode pail. It can also be used as a shower chair since the padding will never absorb water and the medical-grade aluminum frame will never rust. The Ultimate comes in our signature High View blue color, making it easier to distinguish from its surroundings when compared to old-style white plastic seats. For visually and cognitively challenged users, this helps to significantly reduce the risk of slips and falls, the leading cause of accidental death in people over 65. The Ultimate raised toilet seat is the perfect toileting companion for users that value comfort, safety, reliability, and dignity as they age.